I hope you can see the sign behind me which says Boston Common, founded 1634. The city had been founded in 1630 by John Winthrop, and he sent his son, John Winthrop Jr., to Ulster because they knew that the Presbyterians there were having a really hard time and that maybe they could persuade them to come and join the project here in New England. John Winthrop Jr. went twice to Clockworthy Castle in Antrim and some other place that I can't remember, but he had 2 visits anyway where he sat down with some of those ministers to try to plan the voyage. There was a reconnaissance trip, and feedback back home was pretty positive that this was going to be a success. And it was on the 9th of September 1636 that Eagle Wing set sail from Belfast Lough, carrying 140 passengers, some ministers, people who had originally come from Scotland but who were living in North Down, East Down and the Arch Peninsula. They were destined to land at the Merrimack River, about 30 miles north of here, and the city records specify the exact location. So even though Eagle Wing didn't make it, it's our first historic connection not only with America but with New England and with Boston.